So I'm supposed to... Oh, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name's Mike, and I used to be a banker.
I can't see.
Why you don't go over there?
Yes, I remember. She was already there.
No ragazzo no, del mio amore non ricrede. Quando giochi tu, io non gioco più perché fai male da piangere. Da stasera la mia vita nelle mani di un ragazzo no, non la metterò più.
Oh, in the 70s, everybody's looking for something. She would like to be on the scene. I said, don't
filthy whores that go out in the middle of the day wearing next to nothing. I've seen them down by the river. Little crop tops and shorts, they call shorts, which are really panties, showing off their cheeks. I've seen them, they're all filthy.
My little old daddy retreats his soul. That little old man, he just treats it so good.
Letters, never all letters. I got no letters on my name. I've been forgotten, yes, forgotten. I wonder how No, it doesn't work. Sorry. Let's be honest. Is this art? think I just saw a lesbian wrestling pawn shop. And what's Columbo doing spinning around with shopping bags of water? Maybe it's me, maybe I need to look a little further. Maybe she represents the detective who's investigating why we're wasting water in the world. Why the world keeps spinning, but we don't seem to be waking up.